Schmidt, the 20-year-old left-hander set. Here's the 2-1 pitch. It swung on. That's hit towards the gap in right center field. Rested to you. Good speed on the run. He can't get it, but he does cut it off. Rosario stumbles around first base, but the ball comes in as second. So Jeisson able to scamper back to first base okay after a hard single. No runs, no walks, and a strikeout. Runner breaks for a second. The pitch, breaking pitch in and out of the glove for the catcher Romo. And boy, did he get a good pitch to run on.
Did not steal a base in last night's game. Oh, I beg your pardon. They stole one base last night. Here's a ground ball, fair inside the third base bag down the left field line. Gasper is around second, digging for third. He will stop there. In at second with a double is Rosario. And once again, the 8 and 9 hole hitters are wreaking havoc on the YardGoats. Rosario with an inside out swing. I'm sure on purpose, because the shift was on the left-handed hitter and Burnable was nowhere near third base, so he had a lot of room, worked the field, worked the infield, doubles into the corner, and now Austin Kitchen will try to emerge from this threat.
Pitch is swung on, and that's grounded into left field for a base hit. Everyone will move up a sack, and 4 straight singles for the Somerset Patriots against Nick Kuja.